Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today we're going to get in a deep dive of the different styles of obscure glass that you can choose for your replacement windows. Let's get into it. This guy here, so this is called rain glass. When you're looking at this, I mean, if you look at my hand behind, you can see a little bit of a silhouette. Big short of it, you're not gonna be able to see much of what's going on, especially the further away you get from the person or object or whatever it is. It does a really good job of obscurity. The thing I love about the rain glass is that just the look of it, the actual design, it looks really pretty, in my opinion. Over here, this is called Delta Frost. Now this is quite, obscure itself because it does have that frost mainly in the background, so it looks really, really frosted up. I mean, this you can't really see through this much. So you put your hand back behind here, you almost can't make it out at all. And it does have a really neat design, but in a way, it almost looks like it's broken glass. I like it. I think it looks pretty neat. This is Delta Frost, and it's really, really cool, in my opinion, all right? So there's one that I like a lot too, and a lot of times, people think, oh, it looks kind of retro. And in a lot of ways, it kind of is. So this is what they call reed glass. You can put it in like this, or you can have it done sideways, right? You just tell the manufacturer how you want it done. Most go vertical. This one here is probably one that you can actually make out more of a silhouette than most of the others. But the further back away you go, it does kind of get out of sight. You really can't focus. You can't see really what it is, but there is a silhouette there. And you can kind of tell it's a person or whatever. Usually something that a customer wants by a front door. Sometimes they have a big picture window that's right next to an entry door and it'll be clear glass. And the first thing they'll say is, hey, can we do some kind of obscurity there? This is a really good option. And people do this for bathrooms too. Sometimes they'll have this already in for their showers and they're like, well, I want to match it. And they'll option something like this. Then we have Flemish. There's a lot of older homes that have like quasi the same pattern, both for the reed and for this. But what you'll find is it's yellow. That's the color that they were usually coming in at. They'll say, I like the pattern, I just don't like the yellow, because when the sun is coming through, it turns the whole room this yellow color. The closer you get, you can make out what it is. The further away you get, you can't really make out what it is, Very, very nice, obscure glass. Moving on, here we have glue chip. This is seen a lot, especially in front doors. You'll actually get panels of this in front doors. And if I see it in a customer's house, I'll say, hey, for the windows that are in the bathroom, do you want to kind of match that? And they'll go, you can do that? And yeah, with this, it'll work out perfectly. And this is called glue chip. I think it looks really, really good. It's got like little leaf patterns and like little stems and things, and I think it looks kind of neat. Now we're gonna get into, this is what they call the P516, or just standard obscure. This is what you're gonna find pretty much everywhere. This is very standardized obscure glass, and it's probably one of the most obscure besides the one we're gonna get into next. But this is very obscure. You cannot even make out what's behind there. You can see that maybe there's a silhouette of a person far away. You can't make out anything. It's so obscure. And this is probably the most used obscure of any obscure that I've ever sold. Last but not least, this is called etched matte. You can't make out anything. It's so distorted. The thing about this is it looks like it's plastic. It's really not though. I mean, that is glass. It's just straight to the point. It's very obscure, you cannot see anything through it, and it does the job fantastically. So that is a quick rundown on all the different styles of obscure glass that you can get from Anlin. Other manufacturers are gonna, they're gonna have a lot of these options, and if not other different style of options. I've seen bamboo, I've seen all kinds of different styles that are really neat looking and could be an option. But anyways, this is just to show you that there are so many different options that you could do for obscure glass with a new window. All right guys, take good care. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.